Good morning, students. Today we will study about diffusion and osmosis. As we can see that here we have concentration, high concentration, and the movement of molecules is toward the less concentration, means low concentration. The net movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration is called diffusion, and this is due to the random movement of the particle, and this process is also known as passive process because for this movement they don't require energy, means that for the diffusion process energy is not required, so it is known as passive process. So, the movement of molecules of a substance from a region of their higher concentration to a region of their lower concentration is called as diffusion. And if we see that example, that if a perfume is sprayed in one part of the room and yet soon it diffuses so that we can smell it everywhere in that room, so that is due to the diffusion. So best example that we can see. And what is the importance of diffusion? Diffusion play important role in the gaseous exchange between the cell as well as between the cell and its outside environment. It is a means of spreading ions and molecules throughout the protoplast, and transpiration from stomata occur by this process only, that is diffusion. Aroma, that is the smell of the flower, is due to the diffusion of aromatic compounds of the flower to attract pollinators. Means whatever smell of the flower we smell, that is due to the diffusion of that aroma that spread in the environment from higher concentration to the lower concentration. That is the reason how we can smell. Now, osmosis. This is a semi-permeable membrane, SPM, and if we see that this blue color shows these water molecules, and here also the water molecules are present, and red color show the sucrose molecules, means that carbohydrate or glucose you can take it. So the dilute solution containing high concentration of molecules, means concentration of water is in A side is higher than that of B. So the movement of the water molecules will be from higher to the lower side. So the net movement of molecules will be from A to B. So the osmosis is the passage of water from a region of higher water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration till equilibrium is reached. Or if we see an example, when we keep resin in the water and the resin get puffed, so or even you can put this gram into the water, it will also get puffed. And here the only difference is it required semi-permeable membrane, and in diffusion no semi-permeable membrane is required. So if we see the difference between both, what is the importance of osmosis? That is, entry of the soil water into the root occur with the osmosis process only. Cell to cell movement of water occur through osmosis. Living cell remain turgid by osmosis. Means turgid means that if we put gram into the water it get puffed, that is turgid only. Stomata opens and close in response to increase or decrease in the osmotic pressure of the guard cell. This osmotic pressure is due to the osmosis only, that create a kind of pressure. And if we see here that osmosis, that water molecules, and diffusion, that is air molecule. If we see the higher concentration of water molecules is this side, and we have here low concentration of water molecules, but it required semi-permeable membrane through which the water will pass through from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Here we take the example of air, means that highly concentrated and this is low concentration, so from higher to lower. Means that in the both the cases the movement of molecule will be from higher to the lower concentration only, but in osmosis we require only a semi permeable membrane for the movement. What is the difference between diffusion and osmosis? Diffusion is the movement of molecules or the ion of a substance from a region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. Here also, osmosis is the passage of water from a region of higher concentration through a selective permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration till the equilibrium is reached. What is equilibrium? That if the water molecules are passing through, if they will maintain the same water both the side, that is equilibrium. Diffusion occur in liquid, solid and gaseous medium, whereas osmosis occur in liquid only. It does not require any semi-permeable membrane. It requires semi-permeable membrane. Means that in osmosis always semi-permeable membrane is required, whereas in diffusion no semi-permeable membrane is required. Thanks for today.